UP Services, running your vendor dashboard. The dashboard splits into what you are buying, what you are selling, and your account. My Orders covers the work you have bought from other vendors. Sales Orders is the other side, every job you have been hired for and the revenue it made. Each one carries its status, from pending requirements to in progress to revision requested. Open an order and the summary, the dates, and the service details are all on one screen. Messages keeps every conversation tied to the order it belongs to. Once you deliver, the order sits with the buyer as pending review. Wallet and earnings shows available balance, pending withdrawal, total withdrawn, and total earned. Clear the minimum and request withdrawal sends it to the marketplace owner to approve. Portfolio turns finished work into proof with items you can feature at the top. Profile carries your photo, your cover image, and the basics buyers judge you on. And Analytics tracks revenue, orders, and completion rate over time. Deliver the work, collect the money.